Hello guys, welcome to Line Cyber Screen Printing. I'm Jericho from Jury, and for today's video, we're printing a one-color design and we're going to give you tips. You may think that printing a one-color design is easy, but I'm going to show you the common problem in printing one-color designs. So without further ado, let's go to our production. Welcome back guys, and we're here again in the production area, and here's Ruel, who is going to demonstrate to us the common problem in printing one color design. So let's ask him what is the common problem in printing one color design.
Number one is the ink clogging. So we will check the screen if there's ink clogging in the design. So let us clean the area of the design. To avoid the reject. And if it's good, let's continue. Let's start printing. Okay, so let us print. To avoid clogging, you have to make sure that you put enough pressure on the squeegee to press the ink so that no ink or there will be no clogging. Okay, after that we will hit the design. Since the design have a half tone, so we need to clean the area of the design that there is half tone for better result. If your design is solid color, there is no problem in clogging. But if your design have half tone, for sure your problem will be the clogging, because the details of the design. Okay, after cleaning the half tone, we are going to print it again. Make sure you put enough pressure on the squeegee to release the ink. Okay, so we're done.
So guys, the ink clogging on the screen is also a problem in multiple colors. But for us, this is our common problem or most problem in printing one color designs. Because the screen is always using or we have more shirts orders that will be printed in one color designs. So the ink is always clogging on the screen. If you print while there's an ink clogging on the screen, some areas of the design will not be printed. To avoid this, every time we print, we are checking the area if there's an ink clogging on it. And then we are using screen wash to clean or remove the excess ink on the screen.
Second problem in printing one color design is the ink left around the design because of the tape. So I will show to you how to avoid ink left around the screen. For example, this design, we have tape around the design. If you see that the tape is moving, so it's not good, so we will change the tape. So we need tape and scissor. Anything scissor you can use. So first we need to remove the tape around the design, because if you don't remove the tape, it will cause reject on the t-shirt. Okay, if you see that there is oil around the design that came from that tape removed, so we're going to clean the oil. So you just use a small piece of cloth and remove the oil, because we use glass dissolved ink. If there is oil left, so we are going to clean. After we clean the design, the screen, we're going to put tape. If you have any question about this, just put a comment below. After you put the tape, so you need to press the tape on the screen so that will attach. if you are asking why we do this, because this screen, uh, there is so much, I mean that we put tape because to cover the registration, and also to cover the screen with hole, to avoid uh, ink that not necessary for the design. So only the design will, the ink from design will come out. Let's see, let's start printing. Barado rin to, boss. Barado, boss. Barado. After first printing, if you are going to check the design or the ink is, or the screen is clogged, so we are going to clean. We can use kerosene or screen wash. Okay, so we already removed the ink that clogging the design. As you see, the design, the ink is, we clearly see the ink because we remove the ink plug in the design, in the screen. So guys, I show you the problem in one color printing and how to remove that, how to fix the ink clogging the screen. So if you have any question, just write a comment and we will answer you. Thank you. Goodbye.
So in short guys, the second common problem is the ink left in the printed screen area, or the ink is coming out from the tape area on the screen, because we are using the screen all the time and the tape may tear or be removed on the screen. So we are not just checking if there's an ink clogging, we are also checking the screen if there's an ink coming out from the tape. We are doing this to avoid printer shirt reject. So let's watch time-lapse video printing one color design. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos about line table screen printing tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.